Have you ever pondered the secret behind creating unforgettable characters in stories? The ones that leap off the page, get under your skin, and feel as real as your next-door neighbor? Well, let's delve into it. Imagine a tool that could help you craft such engaging characters. The story's lifeblood, the heart of the narrative. Enter ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI. It's like having a co-writer, a creative assistant, right at your fingertips. ChatGPT can be harnessed to generate unique character biographies. It can help to add depth and complexity to your characters, making them more relatable and compelling. With ChatGPT, you provide a few basic details such as the character's age, occupation, or personality traits. The AI then uses these details to generate a complete detailed biography, complete with backstory, quirks, goals, and motivations. But how does it work? ChatGPT uses machine learning. It has been trained on a diverse range of internet text. However, it should be noted that while ChatGPT can generate text based on the information provided, it doesn't know anything about the world or understand the text it generates. It's like a skilled craftsman, shaping the clay you provide into a work of art. Now, let's summarize the key points about using ChatGPT for character creation. First, ChatGPT can help you create detailed and unique character biographies. It's like having a brainstorming partner who never runs out of ideas. Second, ChatGPT uses the details you provide to generate a biography. It's up to you to give it the seeds to grow a compelling character. Remember, garbage in, garbage out. The more specific and detailed your initial input, the better and more helpful the output will be. Third, while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's not a substitute for your creativity. It's a tool, a creative aid that can help you overcome writer's block, flesh out a half-formed character, or provide a fresh perspective. And finally, remember that while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's not perfect. It doesn't know or understand the world. It's up to you to review and refine the generated text. So the next time you're stuck on a character, why not give ChatGPT a try? It might just help you create your next unforgettable character. Until then, keep writing, keep creating, and let your imagination soar.